Hi, get ready to enjoy using Microsoft's Excel as I continue my Excelling at Excel series this Friday with the 5 F's of Excel: formatting, fills, formulas, functions, and filters and sorts. Get ready to geek out as I take you to a higher level of using these important tools in Excel. While we'll review the basics, we're going to go into an intermediate level of using these important items in Excel. So get ready to excel at formatting. For example, watch my Social Security number here. When I hire James Bond, I'll type in the Social Security number and watch the magic. Excel keeps my leading zeros and gives me the dashes. I use this a lot as a compensation manager and human resources manager. Watch, I'm going to type his employee ID in and watch the magic. It gives me the letter E for employee, keeps my leading zeros, and gives me the dashes. You can do this for phone numbers and all kind of cool ways. So I'll show you special formatting and how to create your own. Here's another one. With this boring worksheet, I want it more colorful. So I'm going to select column P, and I'm going to use a fantastic feature called conditional formatting. For this one, I'm going to use color scales and give it a nice color to accentuate my numbers. So the one I'm going to use, the darker the color, the higher or lower the value. So I'm going to use my red, yellow, and green. Now, I'm going to show you how to use this, but the most important thing to take you to an intermediate level, I'm going to show you how you can create your own rules and your own color schemes based upon your own text, numbers, and other values. So we'll learn conditional formatting. Now with fill, we're certainly going to use autofill for our numbers, dates, text, and formulas and functions. But watch this coolness with using fill. I'm going to type in Adams. Now I do have to spell this correctly, and Morticia. Now watch the magic when I get my little fill button and I start filling down. Notice how it's giving me the names from my previous worksheet. So I save those names as a custom list, and I can reuse them not only in this worksheet, but across all of my workbooks. So if you have a list that you use often, save it as a custom list. Now, that is a lot faster than copy-paste. Now with formulas and functions, we're certainly going to use sum, average, and count in some terrific ways with absolute reference. We're going to learn 3D reference, which adds up across multiple columns. But we're also going to learn text columns like concatenate here, where we'll learn how to bring two columns or multiple columns together as one. We'll also work with dates. So we're going to learn lots about our different types of functions in Excel. For example, again, when I show you my my date, age, yep, so we're going to measure age. Oh boy, that'll be fun. And notice, there it is. I don't want any rounding. So we'll work with all kinds of neat functions at an intermediate level of using Excel. And finally, we're going to do filters and sorting. We'll do lots of filters and sorting, but now here's the coolest thing about this. Now, when I say cool, I mean geeky cool, all right? So this is like working with a query. In your View tab, you'll see Custom Views. So I've already added it to my Quick Access toolbar. What I want are people that make $750 or more. So notice I got my custom views. All I have to do is click Show, and it's going to bring up the people that make that range. And if I want to look at other ones, let me clear my filter here. So if I want to look at a couple of other filters, like for example, the HR department and IT, or there's a rumor they're going to merge. So if IT and HR merge, it'll be the most hated department in the entire organization. But that's how quick I can get to filters that I have used and saved without going through the steps again. But wait, there's more. It works with hidden columns and rows. For example, I want to see my name next to the results. So I've created a custom view called Hidden Columns. Watch that when I click Show, watch how it hides the columns G through whatever. The columns in between F and O. That is so quick and easy. I don't have to go through those steps. And then when I want to see my full view again, I just go to Custom View, I click Show. And so you're going to learn all these cool tricks with my 5 F's, the formatting, fills, formats, functions, and filters. This falls underneath my LOL Lots of Learning training program. All of this for only $29.99. This Friday from 10 to 1:30, we'll have a 3+ hour live interactive Zoom webinar. I'll send you a PDF manual covering the 5 F's of Excel for you to print, download, and view. I'll also send you practice files and a certificate of achievement. All of this for $29.99. So get ready to excel at Excel and improve upon the 5 F's. Thank you.